As we constantly make improvements to our AI motion capture, we will periodically roll these updates out to our customers and users. These updates can vary from new stability, features, and improvements, many of which have been suggested by the community. As call clips that are uploaded are yours and yours alone, we don't automatically update them for you. This can interfere with other projects, existing work, or if you just happen to like the motion style that is existing. If you don't know who I am, I'm Peter, the community manager at RADiCAL, and I'm going to show you how to update your call clips. Let's get into it. Start from the dashboard and select the motion group. Scroll down to see your latest call clip and select whichever you want to load into the preview. From the information panel on the right hand side, there are two versioning numbers, the applied AI version and the current AI version. The applied is, as the name implies, the version of the AI attached to the clip, whereas the current AI is the latest version available for the public. If the current version is higher, there will be an update button, and this will start the update process and begin to re-upload the video to our servers. Because this is a re-upload, it will take some time and is not an instant change. After the processing time, you can view the changes by selecting the newly updated clip from the dashboard. As this update is treated as a whole new clip, you'll have both the newly updated and the previous version of the same clip. We do this because we don't want to override your work and force changes on existing projects without your knowledge. As these are whole new clips, you can freely download and replace at your convenience. We release updates for our AI periodically and notifying everyone through major milestones. Please keep an eye on our socials and our Discord channel so you are in the loop. For more information on this topic, please see our resources page linked below. And as always, our updates for core will be free within RADiCAL.